Hey, YouTube, it's Miss Mantel 16, and I'm eating eggs with ketchup, honey, and Parmesan cheese and salt. And that sounds really gross, but I love it. Yeah, and today I'm going, I usually talk a lot in videos, which I'm kind of doing now, but to explain. And today I'm actually going to be singing. I'm not, I don't suck at singing. I'm pretty good. I'm not Taylor Swift or Pink or Shakira. I'm not, that good. But, I thought this song was really cool. And it's called Impossible by Chantel, if that's how you say her name. So, yeah. Here we go. I remember years ago, someone told me I should take caution when it comes to love. I did. You were strong and I was not. My illusion, my mistake. I was careless, I forgot. I did. And now when all is done, there is nothing to say. You got it so effortlessly. You have won. You can go ahead and tell them all I know. Now shout it from the rooftop, write it on the sky. Love, all we had is gone now. Tell them I was happy and my heart is broken. All my scars are open. Tell them what I hoped would be impossible. Impossible. Okay, so that's part of the song. That's Zamboni. She's so cute. She's so cute. Look at her. Okay, so that's some of the song. Nice comments, please. I don't rock at singing. Aw, she's so cute. But I think I did pretty good. Maybe not so much on the high note, on the part where I have to say impossible 4 times in a row. But I think I did pretty good. So this is Miss Mantel 16. Nice comments, please. Comment, rate, subscribe. Bye, guys.